In a quaint little town nestled by the rolling hills, there lived 4 close-knit friends named Mia, Alex, Lily, and Max. They were known throughout the town for their boundless imagination and the wonderful adventures they embarked upon together. One sunny afternoon, as they gathered under the shade of their favorite oak tree, Max sighed, "I wish we could make our wishes come true." Mia, always full of bright ideas, exclaimed, "What if we use the power of positive thinking? We can make our dreams come true by believing in ourselves and our dreams." From that moment, the 4 friends decided to harness the magic of positive thoughts to make their dreams a reality. Mia, with her wild imagination, dreamed of becoming a famous artist. She began to paint colorful masterpieces and filled her room with her artwork. With each brushstroke, she believed in her talent and dreamt big. Alex, a passionate soccer player, aimed to lead his team to victory. Despite facing tough competition, he believed in himself and his team's abilities. They practiced hard and focused on their strengths, turning their weaknesses into opportunities for improvement. Lily had a heart as big as the sky and wished to make the world a better place. She started a community garden to help those in need and believed that her small actions could bring about positive change in the town. Max, though adventurous, had a fear of heights. He dreamed of climbing the tallest tree in their town. With the power of positive thinking and the support of his friends, he took one step at a time, conquering his fear and reaching the top. As days turned into weeks and weeks into months, the friends found that their positive thoughts were working wonders. Mia's art started to gain recognition. Alex's team began winning matches. Lily's community garden flourished, and Max conquered his fear of heights. Word of their successes spread throughout the town, and soon, everyone wanted to learn the secret of their achievements. The friends explained that by believing in themselves, staying positive, and working hard, they could make their dreams come true. Their town began to buzz with positivity. People started believing in themselves and in the power of their dreams. The town's atmosphere transformed, becoming a place where people encouraged each other to chase their dreams. In the end, Mia, Alex, Lily, and Max learned that the magic of positive thinking could indeed make their wishes come true. By believing in themselves and their dreams, they not only achieved their goals, but also inspired their town to become a place where positivity and dreams flourished.